Welcome to English Phrase Camp. I'm here with today's beginner-level focused lesson. This week, everyone's talking about AI language learning, mental health conversations, and shopping online. These are real conversations you'll use every day. Let's start learning. Dialogue 1. Learning languages with AI.
Everyone keeps talking about AI for learning English. What exactly is AI?
Oh, Maya. AI stands for artificial intelligence. It's like having a really smart computer that can help you practice English anytime.
Really? But how does a computer help me speak better English?
Great question. So there are apps like ChatGPT where you can have conversations. The AI talks back to you and corrects your mistakes.
Wow. But is it expensive? I'm a student, you know.
Actually, many AI tools are free. You can use ChatGPT, Google Translate, and even practice pronunciation with apps like Elsa.
Can I use it on my phone while I'm on the bus?
Absolutely. That's the best part. You can practice anywhere. Yesterday, I was waiting for coffee and practiced speaking with an AI tutor for 10 minutes.
But what about grammar? I always make mistakes with past tense.
Perfect. AI is amazing at grammar. You can ask it, is this sentence correct? And it explains why or why not. It's like having a teacher in your pocket.
This sounds incredible. I want to try it today. Can you show me how to start?
Of course. Let's download an app right now. In 1 month, you'll be amazed at your progress.
Thank you so much. I feel like English learning just became much easier.
Dialogue 2. Mental health and wellness.
Dr. Martinez, I'm feeling overwhelmed lately. Between learning English for my job and work pressure, I can't cope anymore.
I understand, Sarah. Many professionals face this challenge. Let's talk about managing stress while achieving your language goals.
It's just so much. My boss expects perfect English in meetings, but I still struggle with confidence. Sometimes I feel like giving up.
Those feelings are completely normal. First, let's address the perfectionism. Even native speakers make mistakes in meetings.
Really? I never thought about that. But how do I build confidence when speaking English at work?
Great question. We can use mindfulness techniques combined with language practice. Have you tried breathing exercises before presentations?
No, I haven't. How does breathing help with English speaking?
When we're anxious, our breathing becomes shallow. Deep breathing calms your mind and helps you think more clearly. This makes finding English words easier.
That makes sense. What other techniques can help me?
Positive self-talk is powerful. Instead of thinking my English is terrible, try I'm improving every day. Your brain believes what you tell it.
I do say negative things to myself. I need to change that habit. But what about work pressure from my colleagues?
Set boundaries, Sarah. You can say, let me think about that, if you need time to formulate your thoughts in English. Most people appreciate honesty.
I never thought about asking for thinking time. That could really help in meetings. This conversation has been so helpful.
I'm glad to hear that. Remember, mental health and language learning support each other. When you're relaxed, you learn faster.
You're absolutely right. I'll practice these techniques this week. Thank you for helping me see things differently.
Dialogue 3. Online shopping and digital payments.
Tom, I'm trying to buy something online, but there are so many payment options. What's the difference?
Don't worry, Jenny. Let me explain the most common ones. Credit cards are the most popular for online shopping.
Why credit cards? Isn't it dangerous to put my card number online?
Good question. Reputable websites use secure encryption. Look for HTTPS in the website address and a lock symbol.
What about PayPal? My friend always uses that.
PayPal is excellent for beginners. You don't share your card details with the store. PayPal protects your information.
That sounds safer. What about those buy now, pay later options I keep seeing?
Be careful with those. They can lead to debt if you're not careful. Only use them if you're sure you can pay on time.
Thanks for the advice. I'll stick with PayPal for now. Online shopping doesn't seem so scary anymore.
Key vocabulary: payment options, credit cards, encryption, secure websites, PayPal, buy now, pay later, debt, reputable websites. Key vocabulary and phrases practice. Now let's learn the most important words from today's conversations. I'll say each word, give you the meaning, and show you how to use it. Key phrase 1. What exactly is? Maya asked, what exactly is AI? This is perfect for asking about things you don't understand. Repeat. What exactly is? Practicing. Try it. What exactly is virtual reality? Great. Key vocabulary. Anytime. Alex said, you can practice anytime you want. This means anytime, whenever you want. Repeat. I can study anytime. Key phrase 2. I'm feeling overwhelmed. Sarah said, I'm feeling overwhelmed lately. This is how to express stress professionally. Repeat. I'm feeling overwhelmed. Now try. I'm feeling overwhelmed with work. Key phrase 3. How do I cope with? This is perfect for asking for help. Repeat. How do I cope with stress? Key phrase 4. What's the difference? Jenny asked, what's the difference when confused about payment options? Repeat. What's the difference between these two? Key vocabulary. Be careful with. Tom said, be careful with those buy now, pay later options. Repeat. Be careful with online payments. Perfect. These phrases will make your English sound more natural. Use them in real conversations this week. Great job today. Now answer these questions. How can AI help you learn English? What should you do when feeling overwhelmed at work? What makes a website secure for shopping? Practice these conversations with friends or by yourself. Nice work. Our next video, intermediate level B1, B2 level English. So make sure to subscribe for more. See you next time.